gonna make Buchi using the small one. Using Monggo. It will be awesome! Whoa! Get me up! Thank you for delivering all the ingredients. Hi, bestest. Growing up. Delivery. Service. First we'll put the Monggo in the pan. Now, we'll put some water. Now can I hold it? They're floating and sinking. They're floating and sinking. We're gonna wash it so they will go float and sink. We leave it overnight to let the seeds pop. We let the seeds pop. I'm driving just like this. Hello. And I'm going it around and around and around and around. Now we're going to put 3 cups of glutinous rice flour. 3 cups of glutinous rice flour.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Now let's put half cup of sugar. Now can I pour it? Wow, that looks amazing. Put 1 teaspoon of salt. Do you mean it's 1 look? Now can I pour it? Now let's add 1 cup. 1 cup of water. Now let's add 1 cup hot water. Be careful. Be careful! Now we'll mix.
Look.
Now we'll mix. Now can we actually mix it? Can we mix it, Daddy? Can we mix it, Daddy?
It's sticky.
I need a smaller one, not a big one. Put 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 5.
1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now we'll put 1 teaspoon of oil. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 teaspoon oil.
1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 teaspoon of oil. Now can I pour it? Now can I mix it? It's been sticking again. Why is it? Let's put cups and sugar. Mix the Monggo. Mix. Hi guys. We're gonna scoop it. Whoa. Get another piece and then and squished it.
And then? Okay, that's one. We need one more.
Yeah, we need one more. Is it the ball now?
You think?
There's the nose and the flat thing. 1 tablespoon of Monggo. 2 tablespoons of dough. Roll it. Roll them doda. It's the final bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coat it. Coat. Mr. Easy. Fry the Buchi. You stop. Use chopsticks. It's gonna be easier.
Few moments later.
Careful, it's gonna be hot. Hot. Buchi. Hot. I look sleepy. Those are yummy Buchi. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Thank you for watching. On to the next video. Please like and subscribe. Please like it and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.